Believe me, Naman, when I say this, 2 years back, मेरी लिंक्डइन वाली जो बैनर थी, वो देख के तुम खुद हंस देते. Of course, I used AI, as everybody does.
एंड हाउ डिड यू अप्लाई? तुमने मेल किया, कोल्ड मेल करके रेफरल डाला?
मतलब इतना ज्यादा नहीं किया, बट अगर एक हफ्ते में मैं बता दूं तो अगर 5 days आई डिड नॉट कोल्ड ईमेल ऑन वीकेंड, तो 5 days में मैंने एटलीस्ट 75 emails भेजे होंगे पनीति.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Building Bharat podcast series, where we bring you inspiring stories of transformation, growth, and breaking new paths. I'm your host, Naman Verma, and today we have with us a very special guest, Pia Chopra. Pia is currently pursuing political science honors from University of Delhi, and despite being an undergraduate, she has already carved out a powerful trajectory for herself. She is interning at Niti Aayog as a research intern and simultaneously with the Indian Journal for Research and Law and Management. Alongside this, she is also the campus ambassador of Inclusive Minds and has previously worked as a strategy and research intern with Building Bharat. Her journey is one of balancing academics, multiple internships, and leadership roles, all while continuously upskilling and breaking new ground. Pia, welcome to the podcast.
Having me on this podcast and having this conversation with you, it really is close to my heart because building Bharat was an extremely nice experience for me.
How did नीति आयोग happen? Because अभी भी मतलब जो स्टूडेंट्स ट्वेल्थ में हैं, उनके लिए भी एक ऑरा है, एक हाइप है कि नीति आयोग की इंटर्नशिप करनी है डीयू में जाके. बिकॉज देयर इज अ डिफरेंट ऑरा यू कैरी व्हेन यू आर posting that on LinkedIn. So how did that
I
opportunity?
was like a very, I would say, मेरा far fetched dream था sort of preparing for civils. उस टाइम पे भी I was like कि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मैं बस हाथ धो के बैठ जाऊंगी, कुछ तो करना ही है. And one of those internships was with like नीति आयोग. I just wanted to do it.
So what is the eligibility like and how did you apply? Did you apply through the
Right.
website या फिर तुमने मेल किया, कोल्ड मेल करके रेफरल डाला और लिंक्डइन से रेफरल लेके किया? So what was your process like?
I would recommend this to like the people who want to apply there is like always check the portal for guidelines because they don't take out unofficial emails या फिर ऐसे कुछ like एकदम से cold email उनको कर दोगे तो वो नहीं मानेंगे रात और they will get your application rejected. So the first and foremost thing is you apply through Nitika portal. That is all. They ask for your 10th and 12th ka mark sheet. They ask for your college mark sheets and matlab Aadhaar card and basic government IDs and all of that. Just like how your normal process goes, government organizations mein. And why do you want to work at Niti Aayog? Those basic sentences and stuff like that, right? As for eligibility, eligibility is like after you've given your fourth sem exams, then you're eligible. So second year agar khatam ho gaya, then you're eligible for Niti. But like extremely exceptional applicants, they do take up people who have just started second year या फिर मतलब लाइक थर्ड सेमेस्टर वालों को ले सकते हैं फोर्थ सेमेस्टर वालों को लाइक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली रेयर बट इट डज हैपन नीति में. तो एप्लीकेशन के थ्रू अप्लाई करोगे. ओनली आफ्टर दैट कैन यू मूव ऑन टू कोल्ड ईमेलिंग एंड गोइंग टूवर्ड्स like subsequent people and connecting with them on Niti because when you submit your application you get an application ID and that becomes your identification mark. So wherever you go with referrals and you send them your application, it is dependable on everything. Like it has your CV, it has everything, right? So identity बन जाता है नीति में फिर जाके. तो मेरे लिए मैंने पहले इसी से अप्लाई किया and portal के through apply किया and after that I started to cold email. In my case I would say like I did cold emailing मतलब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं किया but अगर एक हफ्ते में मैं बता दूँ तो अगर 5 days I did not cold email on weekends. 5 days होते थे तो 5 days में मैंने एटलीस्ट 75 emails भेजे होंगे Paniti. And those were not like to joint advisors या फिर advisors. Rather, those were towards like young professionals and consultant grade 1 and consultant grade 2 at Niti. So, and like this is like a personal advice. If you don't have any sort of like government referrals, yeah, maybe even family referrals for that matter, then it is extremely important for you to be open towards any vertical that you might get, as in don't be just stuck up on one vertical जैसे मैंने किया था, मेरी गलती थी, I was just stuck up on one vertical which is governance, and so मैंने वहीं पे किया था officials को. I was not able to get a response unfortunately there, but this is something that I learned from my seniors and also those who worked at Neeti earlier, that always be open to the verticals that you're working in. And it could be anything: social empowerment and justice, law, wherever you want to go. If you create boundaries going there and saying, you know what, I want to work on public policy in this area only, then of course they will be very open to that. So, like public policy, I would say, इस वे में नीति में it's not just like limited to the governance sector, or not just related to the social justice or empowerment sector, but also to every other sector. I mean, I am in infrastructure connectivity, so I work with like transport stuff and all of that. Transport policy है, like railways, airways and waterways, right? उसके basis पे काम करती हूँ. तो उधर भी there is a lot of like stuff you won't believe. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा public policy jargons use होते हैं उधर भी. तो it just shows that, if you're open and if you're like giving it to a wide pool of people, the cold emailing wide pool of young professionals and consultants को कर रहे हो from other verticals, then that just increases your chances, right? And even better is if you know some of them personally, I'd say. Connect on LinkedIn. Most of them are active on LinkedIn, right? Connect with them, send them a message, and the message should be tailored, like not कि आपने उनको directly अपना like application भेज दिया, CV भेज दिया कि sir please do consider me for an internship. No, that's not. The consistency would show when you comment regularly on their posts, when you engage with whatever they are trying to tell you, whatever their opinions are on this particular government issue or government policy. And when they start to notice you, that is when you go towards LinkedIn for like personal messages, and then you start with कि मतलब like वैसे ही start करना कि sir, see, this is the issue that I feel this vertical is facing in this vertical which you are in, and this is what I can do to sort that issue out, or maybe help you, or maybe this is how I can be an asset to your vertical. And if possible, I am also up for a call, and send your like CV and all of that at whatever time. So just like you need to, people say like MNCs के लिए you need to sell yourself. I'd say, even for government organizations, you need to sell yourself. Even more because वहां पर trust issues बहुत है. ठीक है? तो नीति के साथ भी यही था. ठीक है? Thankfully, when you do get the referral and when a person does agree ki okay, maybe my vertical is not free, but this vertical is fine, you can contact this person. If you get that, and if that person replies back, then you're in. It's all about networking. Even more than CV, I would say it's more about networking. They see how you can network. They see how you can hold your ground. That's how you get into NEETI. Eligibility wise, application wise. Application is like a formality है, समझ लो. चाहिए ज़रूर है, लेकिन फॉर्मेलिटी है. आपको करना पड़ेगा, उसके बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Not even cold emailing. This LinkedIn creator, his name is Ashok, and he inspired me a lot. I attended two of his webinars, I remember, and I remember specifically asking him about like Niti Aayog and about other stuffs. And he said that he also comes from sort of like a tier 2 to tier 3 college like me, Ramanujan, just beside Deshbandhu. And I was inspired because he was sort of in a similar place and a similar standing like mine, and I thought that if he can do it, why can I not? And Niti Aayog became my sure shot dream towards that. For most of the people, it might be ki okay, let's value quality over quantity, right? But in my case, I decided that quality is fine. I want to focus at quality, but I also want to focus at quantity, because Niti does take up people with ample experience. And being there and now that working is like surreal. But like the path to that was networking, extensive networking, I would say, on LinkedIn. I used to see people, the moment I saw posts like I got into Niti Aayog or I just completed my internship at Niti Aayog, I just used to, send those sort of people like a connection request, get on call with them, chat with them on LinkedIn, and, say, okay, how did you get it? And what was the main thing? See, cold emailing is fine and all of that, but having a referral within that organization is also extremely important because, again, it's a government organization. They don't trust you as interns, neither do they trust your CVs. They would rather trust the referrals that they are getting from inside of the organizations with people that they're already working with. And that is the same thing that, sort of worked for me. That, at least this would get your application highlighted amongst tens of thousands.
फॉर्मेलिटी में अगर हम डीप डाइव करें, सो द पीपल हु आर गोइंग टू चेक योर लिंक्डइन आफ्टर दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड दोज ऑलरेडी नो, तुम्हारा एक ड्रीम लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल है, बिकॉज मेनी पीपल लाइक विश टू हैव अ प्रोफाइल लाइक यू। इतनी सारी इंटर्नशिप्स, इतना सा सोसाइटीज का काम, प्रोजेक्ट्स, पता नहीं क्या क्या चीजें उसमें है। तो मेरा तो दिमाग खुल गया था इतना देख के कि यू जस्ट कंप्लीटेड अ सेकेंड ईयर एंड यू आर जस्ट लाइक, तुमने इतना काम कर लिया जो 4 साल के कॉलेज में लोग करते हैं। So it's genuinely crazy. So did that play a part when you were contacting people, when you're reaching out to them, and जब तुमने CV बनाई थी अपनी resume में, वो spikes काम कर रहे थे तुम्हारे to stand out from the other applicants?
When I see this, 2 years back, मेरी लिंक्डइन वाली जो बैनर थी, वो देख के तुम खुद हंस देते, बिकॉज it was so bad. I had not worked on it. I joined LinkedIn in October 2023. By January, I was convinced that I cannot do anything because no matter how many people I connect with, no matter, let's go there, like, connect with this person, maybe talk to them. Everywhere I was finding कि भाई ये हो ही नहीं रहा, मतलब my banner is not that flashy. और मे बी सबका होता है ना यार, मतलब एक फ्लैशी बैनर तो होना चाहिए जिसको देख के लोग भी हमसे अट्रैक्ट हो और कनेक्शंस हो पाए, आपके प्रोफेशनल कनेक्शंस, राइट? इट्स द सेम केस विद मी। सो मैंने क्या ठानी थी कि अब ये फ्लैशी बैनर कैसे करना है, ओनली आफ्टर आई अर्न समथिंग। एंड अर्निंग का वे क्या था, मेरा इंटर्नशिप से, चाहे जितनी छोटी हो वो मैं बैनर पे लगा देती थी। एंड आई थिंक एवरी पर्सन हु स्टार्ट्स आउट ऑन लिंक्डइन डज दैट। इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी इंटर्नशिप्स, यू पुट ऑन योर सोसाइटीज का काम, या फिर किस सोसाइटी में हो उसका काम। इफ यू हैव वर्कड मे बी विद एन एनजीओ, उसके बारे में लगा दोगे। एंड देन व्हेन यू लाइक सब्सिक्वेंटली स्टार्ट टू क्लाइम अप द लैडर, दैट इज व्हेन योर बैनर स्टार्ट्स टू गेट लाइक फ्लैशी। आई हैव मेड लाइक 3 resumes, ठीक है? एंड थर्ड वन, मतलब इतना इशू था, इट टुक मी 3 months to make the perfect wala resume. And the reason being ki I used to watch YouTube videos. I used to follow people on like resume experts on LinkedIn, especially those जिन्होंने मतलब उनके साथ काम किया है जो पब्लिक पॉलिसी फील्ड में है, क्योंकि वैसी सी रेज्यूमे मुझे चाहिए थी। सी व्हेन इट कम्स टू पब्लिक पॉलिसी एंड लाइक जब वैसा रेज्यूमे, इट इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट। द रीजन बीइंग कि um, for somebody like me who's in a field जो ज़्यादा qualitative notions पे focus करती है rather than the quantitative, हमारे resumes बहुत different हो जाते हैं। Most of the times conventionally you listen कि अच्छा okay, this is like a quantitative resume, मतलब leveraged 50% of maybe crowd, और इतनी crowd funding कर दी and all that। वो सब नहीं था हमारे पास। तो उस तरीके से मतलब टेलर करना was very difficult for me. बट आई डिड टेक आउट वन पर्सन, आई रिमेंबर उनका रेज्यूमे मैंने लिया था। इट वाज एटीएस फ्रेंडली, सिंपल सा। और वो भी इतने, मतलब लाइक इतने ट्राइज बाद, जब मैंने लाइक मेरा पहला रेज्यूमे वाज लाइक वेरी फ्लैशी, ठीक है? पिंक, रेड, ब्लैक सब था उसके अंदर, ठीक है? एंड आई वाज वंडरिंग कि भाई मैं अब क्यों नहीं, मतलब मुझे लिया क्यों नहीं जा रहा, व्हाई आर दे नॉट ऑफरिंग मी इंटर्नशिप्स, व्हाई? एंड इट वाज सच, I am very embarrassed by it, but it was मेरी मेहनत for like first year. But then मैंने saw a lot of resumes, I saw कि अच्छा okay, किसी ने openly डाला हुआ है LinkedIn पे अपना resume, I checked their profiles, several people have CVs ना उनके। तो वहां गई, अच्छा तो सिंपल वाइट सा बना हुआ है, वाइट एंड ब्लैक यूज किया है, वर्ड डॉक टाइप्स का है, टेबल्स बनाई हुई है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। फिर जाके कहीं मुझे रियलाइज हुआ, अच्छा ठीक है, इसको ऐसे करना है। तो पहले तो मैंने अटेम्प्ट किया वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में इसको बनाने का, फिर मैंने कहा ठीक है ये बहुत बड़ा बन रहा है मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइक इशू हो रहा है अब। एंड देन आई सॉ दिस was it a LinkedIn ad या फिर कोई promotional post थी, I remember, by Show Devan. Show Devan is like SHO Show and Devan, and this person was offering ATS friendly resumes, and उनमें से एक resume मैंने देखा था which was like exactly the kind that I wanted and exactly the kind that gets you shortlisted. एंड इट वाज सेम वैसा ही वर्ड डॉक टाइप का, लेकिन उसमें जैसे लाइक जो लैंग्वेज थी ना, इट वाज एक्सट्रीमली एटीएस फ्रेंडली. सो लाइक आल्सो फॉर द पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू दिस पॉडकास्ट, डू चेक आउट शो देवान. इज आर एक्सीलेंट. ठीक है, इफ यू जस्ट लाइक इट्स इट दे नीड अ सिंपल साइन इन एंड योर ईमेल, दे सेंड इट टू योर ईमेल. इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट, फ्री है. ठीक है. सो after that, of course, I used AI as everybody does. I used AI judiciously in a way कि I tried to make my qualitative finds in sort of थोड़ा सा quantitative, slightly quantitative. बाकी पूरा resume ऐसा नहीं बन सकता था because field ऐसी है again. But this is like my personal advice, something that I used कि resume में ना, जैसे कोई भी रिपोर्ट्स आपने लाइक अगर अपने इंटर्नशिप के टाइम पे की हो या फिर कहीं पे भी मतलब पेस्ट वेस्ट किया हो स्टफ, राइट? तो वो लो, उसको डालो कॉपी पेस्ट करके एआई में, and make it in a way कि okay, this is my report, this is the work that I did in my internship. Make 2 to 3 bullet points, two I would say maximum, because अगर एक पेज का रेज्यूमे बनाना है, एंड उसके अंदर एक पॉइंट एटलीस्ट क्वांटिटेटिव होना चाहिए कि ऐसा मैंने क्या किया. AI does the work for you that way. So उस वे में it worked a lot for me. Two things more matter here is कि the kind of referrals that you are getting, what kind of person gave your referrals. ठीक है, if this person is giving referrals जो बहुत ही trustworthy इंसान है, तो automatically आप पे भी लिंक लग जाएंगे कि ठीक है भाई, ये आदमी ठीक है, इसको ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. और it's second, if your CV speaks for itself. ठीक है. So नीति में interview depends on the kind of CV you have and the kind of referrals you have. And CV में तो CV is your deciding factor for the interview. कि अच्छा अगर इंटरव्यू हो रहा है तो मे बी योर सीवी इज नॉट क्लियर एनफ, so they are asking you questions, they want to give you another chance. And other than that, maybe your CV is clear enough कि they've just decided, okay, maybe let's just select this person for this particular internship batch that is coming up. um and as for the number of interns I have with me, like from other verticals, we've got like 29 verticals, if I'm not wrong.
So अभी तक नीति से क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स और टास्क मिले हैं?
Like every intern has to make a research report at the end of their internship. मतलब during the tenure of the internship मान लो. ठीक है, तो most of the times it's 42 days, which is 1.5 weeks, I would say. And it can get extended to 2 to 3 months अगर आपका काम बहुत अच्छा है. And I am currently working on maybe highway, a lot of like highway projects right now. ठीक है कि a lot of like traffic policy and like traffic issues हैं अभी थोड़े थोड़े, so उन पे काम कर रही हूँ. And apart from that, like a lot of data analysis and like data findings, they rely heavily on sources. Network with my fellow interns जो मेरी ही vertical में है, so two of them have become very nice friends of mine also. तो इस way में I think if you do this and even after you get the internship, if you've networked beautifully, then rest assured for the rest of your life, if you are ever in any sort of problem or if you need any sort of referral, you can always fall back on your connections. So as important as it is to network on LinkedIn, I would say being face to face and talking face to face, interacting and mingling face to face makes an even deeper impression. So, communication and networking is the one greatest tip I could ever give you for getting into Niti or any other organization, or even like is a tip for life. कोई जॉब भी चाहिए होगी तो उसमें भी घुसने के लिए ये लो, ये कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्किंग होनी चाहिए. That's all I would like to say.
So finally, we have come to the end. Thank you so much, Pia, for sharing your journey with us today. I'm sure our listeners will find this conversation incredibly valuable. Thank you so much.
It was my first podcast, yes. Experience. You've been a great host, Naman. First of all, very accommodating of the timings and everything. How Building Bharat gave me wings to, go and like move forward and get internships with like MPs and Niti Aayog. I hope that same thing happens for other interns there as well. And also the political consultancy takes off, because I am keeping my eyes on it. And I think Building Bharat will go miles ahead. So yeah,
Yeah. So,
thank you so much for having me.
yeah. If you enjoyed this episode, please do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Building Bharat for more inspiring conversations on public policy, consulting, and beyond. Stay tuned because we have got more such insightful stories coming your way. Until the next time, this is Naman Verma signing off from Building Bharat podcast. Thank you so much.